We at Equipment Zone are excited to share some basic steps on how to print and apply a DTF transfer to a 6-panel dad hat. Step 1 is to import the artwork or graphic into the software. In this example, you can see our technician is using the Easy Rip Pro software for the Epson F2100 DTG printer. Now that the file is properly prepared, it is sent to the printer. Our tech has taped down a full-size sheet of Easy DTF Pro film onto the Platen. Notice how the printer has reversed the print order and is printing CMYK colors first. Once the colors have completed printing, the next step is the white ink. After a brief moment to let the ink partially gel, our technician will transfer the film to the manual powdering station to apply the adhesive powder. In this demonstration, the adhesive powder is applied to the wet ink using a sugar shaker onto a baking tray. The tech then gently pulls the transfer film upwards to allow the powder to roll down and coat all the printed areas. The excess powder will be collected on the tray and reused. In this demonstration, we are using the optional bottom heat platen on the Geonite DK20A heat press to dry the ink and melt the adhesive powder. The transfer is placed on the heated platen set at 338 degrees for 60 seconds. The powder adhesive should turn the milky white coarse powder to a transparent, glossy orange peel texture. Then transfers are cut into individual units. Once the black cap is placed on the Geonite DK7 hat press, the technician sets the transfer into place and covers it with a small piece of silicone-coated parchment paper. He clamps down the hat using medium pressure for between 275 to 300 degrees for about 15 seconds. The range in temperature and time will allow you to experiment with a wide variety of materials like polyester and polyester blends. The same process is repeated for the white hat. We recommend peeling the transfer film away from the substrate once it is cool to the touch. There are two things to look for in these close-ups. The first is zero problems with the middle seam of the 6-panel cap. The second is the vibrancy of the colors and no dye migration. DTF printing opens up a whole new world of products you can decorate using the F2100 DTG and DTF printer. For more information, reach out to Equipment Zone at 800-408-0040 or email sales@equipmentzone.com.